It's raining cats and dogs out here.
Good morning. We're hanging out in Mama's dad's bed.
Hey, Cass. What are you doing? There you go. Thanks, Cass.
My leg got hurt.
How? You okay? Let me see. Where'd it get hurt?
Phoebe has found herself a spot to sit. Look at her, Jaden.
Round 2 of hoverboard. Here we go.
Whoa. Jaden say bonsai. That's when I was young, they used to say bonsai.
So I'm about to give Phoebe her pills.
Oh, she got one early.
No, she didn't. She didn't get it. Ready, Susan? She doesn't like it, but she has to eat it.
Oh, she spit it out.
Stop. You're gonna eat this. So I just gave her one, and she has to pick like 7 of these.
Fogged it up.
You fogged the camera up, buddy. We got a wrecker. Cass, what are you trying to do?
I'm trying to put them on.
Just keep trying.
You did get one.
Oh, giant spider!
What is it, Jaden?
A giant spider! Get
Where's it at?
away!
She's backing away slowly.
It climbed up that. Where's it going? The spider! I'm gonna smash the spider.
Get it.
Actually,
Use my
grab-
shoe. It's running. It's on the hoverboard.
Awesome. That's nice. That was scary. Ugh. Oh. Run, Susan. Run. Run, Susan, run.
Don't come after me.
So Cass and Jaden are actually both homeschooled, so we get to see a lot of them during the day, which is pretty cool, especially since we work from home. Cass, where are you going today? You're going on a where? Should we brush that crazy hair, Einstein?
On a field trip?
Is Nana gonna take you on a field trip?
No.
Where are you going? Do you know?
To a museum.
Oh, are you excited?
All right. We actually had a massive earthquake last night, and like the entire house shook. It was like, I could feel it sway. It was short though, but it was my first earthquake since we've been here in California. Hannah woke me up. You feel that earthquake? And I was like, oh yeah, I felt it. Jaden, did you feel the earthquake? You didn't feel it at all?
No,
It shook the whole house. I'm on my way to go to the screen printer, well, one of our screen printers. We also do a lot of screen printing in-house, but I'm going to drop off some t-shirts today for him to do. He's printing up a lot of cool stuff. So we're going through Starbucks right now to pick up a couple drinks, some warm drinks on this rainy day. We're gonna go over to Jeff and Natalia's house to have some tacos and meet Hannah and Jaden over there. Are you pumped, dude?
Nothing but Starbucks, nothing but Starbucks.
Apparently they never get hot
thank you.
chais, and I made a mistake here.
I do sometimes.
Tell us.
All those.
Check out my fancy cup. Aww. It's raining cats and dogs out here. Shh, raining cats and dogs. Oh my gosh, it's so bad out today. So we had an earthquake this morning and now we have like a thunderstorm today and it's been raining all day. Ooh, the fire's on.
I put it on too.
You did?
Yeah.
You put it on?
Yeah.
Good call, kid, good call. Minecrafting. Check that out. Whoa.
Not bad.
Not that. Check this out. Jaden, that is awesome. Jaden is riding a massive dinosaur.
But he can't swim.
So I'm getting ready to rehearse some songs. I'm gonna be playing a concert with BRYAN Lanning, a buddy of mine. I'm gonna be playing bass for him. So it's gonna be super cool. So I'm gonna work on one of his songs called Like a Lion. If you haven't heard it, you need to go check it out. I'll put a link below and you can pre-order his EP. How was your field trip, buddy?
Good.
What'd you do?
Nothing.
What'd you see?
I don't know.
You don't even know? You didn't do anything?
I did.
It's freezing out here. We're getting ready to go into the spa. I had that sucker heating already.
super fun. When Andrew and I were talking about going in today, we thought it was gonna be super relaxing. I mean, it's dark out, it's still a little bit cold, a little rainy, but the spa was super warm, so we thought we were gonna have a nice, relaxing time. But in reality, it's like hashtag parent life.
So we're getting ready to drop Jaden off at Nana's.
So we are actually heading over to Missy and Brian's. We were actually supposed to go have dinner with the Johnsons, but we went to the spa because we thought it'd be super fun to go in when it was raining, and it got pretty late when we got out, so we actually missed that. But we are actually on our way now to go have dessert with them. Sounds like they have like a sundae set up, so we're gonna have some sprinkles and some whipped cream. And Cassie, you wanna make a sundae? Like it'd be fun? You wanna see baby Ollie?
So we're hanging out with the Lannings here. Hello! Having some ice cream and making some sundaes, which I shouldn't have actually, because I actually have a lactose intolerance a little bit, not bad, but just a little bit. So
you're gonna be on the toilet later, but
oh, dude,
it's so worth it.
Dude, yeah, it's so worth it. See,
It's not worth it at all. No, it's not.
see, I always go into it thinking, man, this is so worth it, but by the end of the night, I'm like, oh, not worth it, not worth it. Dude.
Literally, like,
Caspian, did you know that's a dog's toy?
That's awesome. And like there was a zip line for them.
Oh my gosh, the kids are totally playing. They're having so much fun.
Boys will be boys.
Boys will be boys. Ollie was like picking this up with his mouth and like carrying it back.
Come on, puppy.
Good boy.
Say good dog.
Ollie, sit.
Drop it, doggy. Go.
Sit. Roll over.
Let's go roll over.
I'm in a bad mood right now
Why are you in a bad mood, buddy?
because I just want to be in a bad mood.
Because you didn't want to leave baby Ollie's house?
No.
So we just got done hanging out at Brian and Missy's house. It was a lot of fun.
Lots of fun.
Yeah, the hot fudge sundaes were super good. Cass, was your Sunday good?
The boys had a lot of fun.
He's tired.
I'm not tired.
Oh, cranky.
Definitely not tired. You can tell, right?
So it's been a really fun day today. Did a lot of stuff. We had an earthquake and it was raining all day, so it's kind of eventful. We're getting ready to get Caspian to sleep and we're gonna hang out, maybe watch a movie or something. So we will see you guys soon. If you have any questions for us, be sure to leave it in the comments. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe.
At the Slyfox house.